Hello everyone, today I have a video for Clique Kits and I'm using the December Rainbow Kit and it is so gorgeous, y'all. This is my first layout using this kit and it is absolutely stunning. The colors are nice and bright and I love all of the rainbow. I love this piece of paper. This is my favorite piece of paper out of the whole kit. So I have these two photos of Emily reading. She is sitting in the recliner in our living room and just she's still in her PJs. It was in the morning on a weekend and she was just reading her book. So this kit, I guess, is kind of travel themed. And we haven't traveled in a while. We have not went anywhere. So I do have a couple pictures of us going away like to the mountains for the weekends and stuff, but they're not really like taking airplanes or anything like that. So the next video you guys will see will probably be pictures from the mountain and our mountain trip this past fall. So, but for this one, I decided to use the photos of her reading a book. She really enjoys reading and she's into the Harry Potter books. And so I just wanted to kind of document her love for reading and show you guys that just because this layout is a travel-based themed kit, you don't necessarily have to use it for traveling. I really wanted to use this doily. It's giant, I know, but I decided in the end that I was not going to use it and I was going to go in a little bit of a different direction. I did know that I wanted to use these different papers because they were so stunning together, all of the colors, and then I used the blue in the center to kind of break up the two patterns. And then I took a piece of pink cardstock from my stash and photo matted the photos, and then I'm going to put it on the back side of that rainbow paper, which is a black and white paper, and it just has a whole bunch of different like planes, trains, automobiles, just those words all over it. Excuse me. And then because it's a white and we're on all of the different colors, I kind of wanted to just go around it with Wilted Violet Distress Oxide ink with the blending tool, and that's from my stash as well. There is some purple in this kit, so I thought that it would go well. It kind of makes it stand off the page just a little bit and not kind of blend in. So I have the stickers, the exclusive Clique Kits stickers, and I'm in love with them. They're super cute. You'll see here in a minute that I'm going to use a ton of them on this layout. And I thought that maybe I needed another layer of that blue, but it just wasn't going with the way that I kind of wanted it to go. So I'm going to end up bringing that pink cardstock from my stash that I matted the photos with and just two small strips at the top and the bottom of these paper layers, just to add balance for me and give it some, I don't know, some direction. I felt like it just wasn't looking right for me. So that is what I'm going to do. It kind of finishes it off, I guess. And I'm going to go ahead and start adhering things down because I'm loving the way that these paper layers are looking. And I wanted to get that lined up so then I can just lay it right on top and kind of pick it up and then put adhesive on it, which seems to work best for me when I'm trying to do like paper layers like this. So I now love the way that that looks. It looks more finished to me. I have somewhere that I can put my title on that pink and you can see it over the white. It just looks really great to me. These alphas are amazing. I believe that they're from the Wonder Crate Paper Collection, one of the Crate Paper collections, and they're just super fun. They're different colors. They have, some of them have little patterns on them. And I'm pulling in a black tile alpha that actually came in a previous Clique Kits kit a while back. So I needed a smaller alpha to go with this. I'm really not that great at mixing alphas, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to do that a little bit better and try to work on that a little bit more because I really love the way that it looks. So the Escape, the blue Escape, is an acrylic piece that came in the kit, and it is gorgeous, y'all. That blue is such a pretty blue. It really is. And so the title of my layout is going to be Escape in a Story. Escape in a Story, excuse me. So I'm going to use some of the hot air balloons. There are some in the die cuts, and then there are some on the sticker sheet, and I'm going to use a mix of both. And then I'm also going to use the little stack of suitcases or luggage that came in the ephemera pack as well, and a piece that says On an Adventure. And I'm just going to kind of scatter these hot air balloons kind of all over the page. And then there are a couple little clouds that I'm also going to kind of put up here to kind of make it look like it's a sky, I guess. So I'm looking through the ephemera right now. I have it in a little container so I can kind of look through and see if there was anything else that I wanted to pull out to use. So I am going to pull out the sign that says here, there, and it has arrows pointing in opposite directions. And so I am going to use that, and I'm going to stick it kind of behind the suitcases, I guess. And I'm loving the way that this came together. It's a lot of color, but there's also a lot of white space at the top, which I really like. And it's just super fun to me. So the hot air balloons, I am going to move. I felt like the one just wasn't looking right, so I'm going to end up moving some of them around just a little bit to make it look better, more appealing to my eye, I guess. Also, there were some pretty little studio label cut-aparts in this kit, and I used one of the yellow ones, and I cut it in half, and I'm using half of it at the top left hand and the other half at the bottom right hand. So this is when I'm moving. This is when I move the, the stickers here. I just felt like it was a little bit too close, so I'm going to move it up a little bit further and then move the clouds down a little bit. So I really like the way that looks better. It's more symmetrical, I guess, for me. And I'm going to use some of the little heart stickers, the exclusive little heart stickers. This heart is my favorite heart ever. I like the skinny kind of looking hearts. I think they're really cute, and I love to use those. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some mists from my stash, a yellow and a bright pink, and I'm just going to do a ton of splatters at the top in the white open part. And that's going to be my layout for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I will have Clique kits linked below along with my coupon code so you guys can get a discount in the store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to spread love and be kind. I hope that y'all have an amazing day. Bye.